Ubon Ratchathani and Yasothorn. The provinces are still facing flooding, and 9 districts have been declared as emergency disaster zones. General Prayut first inspected the flood situation along the Chi River and waterways in Bandang Noi village in Kha Nua subdistrict of the capital district of Yasothorn. He then visited flood victims at the Nong Ung development project. General Prayut later proceeded to an anti-flooding center in Keung Nai district of Ubon Ratchathani and visited flood victims. The premier instructed authorities to quickly expedite help using machinery and flat-bottomed boats, set up relief aid centers, and provide food. He said officials should also prepare additional assistance measures such as human resources to help the victims repair their homes and to find the victims' jobs. According to Ubon Ratchathani Provincial Governor Sarit Witun, Keung Nai district is still facing inundation. He said although all 25 districts of the provinces are facing floods, only 9 have been declared as emergency disaster zones. The governor said floodwater is expected to rise over the next 2 weeks, though water is being drained continuously to the Makong River. Local villagers have been warned